Today everybody, today in this demo I have taken Selenium integrated with Pandas to demonstrate whether DITQ stock can be purchased or not. This script will be executed and a strategy will tell whether to buy a stock or not. DITQ is the first crypto equity ETF. These are the companies that are building the infrastructure. These are the things like Bitcoin mining companies, mining equipment manufacturer brokerages. These companies are making profits, real revenue, and benefiting from the crypto economy. Yeah. Let me execute this script. I'm executing this script. The browser Selenium Python script will launch the browser. It will navigate to nas.com and it will navigate to the 5-day overview of DITQ and it will scrap all the data and a graph will be generated. This is a bar graph. On the left hand side, minimum price is there. On the right hand side, total volume is there. So, based upon the today's price or volume do not meet the criteria for strong buy signal on this strategy. So the weekly minimum price is 20.39 and it is around 144 1,44,706 in volume. And today's price is around 20.39. The total volume is around 30k. Yeah. Hence, no strong buy signal is given based upon these criteria. No strong buy signal is given. So whenever this Selenium Python script is run, at that moment, whether to buy the script, buy the DITQ stock or not will be given by this strategy. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.